All right, we've been at it for probably half an hour on this job site. We got the sweeping done. Stairs look much better. But what this sweeping does for us, besides get all the debris up off the floor, it doesn't do it for us, basically. But it starts showing out what's going on with the carpet, like paint. And there's dirt spots here that'll probably come out. Paint. Not all in all bad looking carpet. Not a whole lot of paint on the floor, but there is some. But it lets us start seeing what actually going on with the carpet. You know, like stains like that, which is common. They'll come out. Small bedroom, office, or whatever. Paint. More paint. And that stuff just does not come out with carpet cleaning. You know, you would think water-based paint, but no, it does not. It's dried, it's attached to the fibers. It can get removed. We can remove it. There's some more paint right there. More right there. So, all in all, the paint spots are not terrible in this house, but still yet, well, that's just a piece of carpet. So we're going off into the master bedroom now, and there is some issue going on here in this corner. Some purplish looking stuff. I mean, it's not terrible, and that's probably just not going to come out. I don't know what's doing purple, but it's probably just not going to come out, because it don't look like I mean, obviously it's a stain, it's purple, but it doesn't look like, you know, a stain like Kool-Aid's been spilled or something like that. It looks like, I don't know, almost like something's got hot sitting there and took some of the color pigment out of the carpet, is what it looks like. Because I mean, literally I'm seeing hardly any, and it may come right up. I don't know. It's just kind of weird. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. But that's in the master bedroom, right off the bathroom entry, over in the corner, next to the window. So sweeping the carpets, pepped them up. They look good. So we're gonna go on to the next stage. We're gonna get up here and we're gonna pre-treat everything, get everything where we'll have 10-15 minutes of dwell time with the pre-spray, and then we'll get to extracting and rinsing. So we'll be back.